도착. I put my on.
Wait. 잠깐만. How do I look?
Okay. Oh, looks better.
Do I look professional?
Oh.
Wait. Testing. Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Can you hear me? Stop following me.
Wait for me.
Guys, let's go without Chase. We don't
Hey,
need him anymore.
Hey, if you go too far, you can't take your voice. You can't record it.
Oh, really?
Don't go too far.
Oh. How far can you go?
I think 10 meter?
10 meters.
20 meter? I don't know.
What? Do you want to test it?
아니.
I'll keep going. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Long time no picnic.
Yeah. Long time no nature.
Oh.
Feel like we've just been stuck in our apartment for ages. Oh,
This area is so good.
yeah.
And it's not busy today.
Yeah, there's only 2 people here. And guys, my favorite thing, they have a flying fox. Do you want to go see?
Okay.
Yeah, 가자.
알았어.
These days, I've been going to the gym, so feeling a little bit more energetic
Okay.
than usual. Oh, what is this? 좋다.
Wait.
Can
I'll
you-
push it for you.
Yeah, push me. Oh, harder. 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 Come on. Oh. Wow. Oh shit. Stop. Come on. Whoa. I thought I was gonna die. You wanna try?
Okay.
Hop on. Nice and relaxing. 맛있다.
Yeah, you gonna. 아니. Hey, we're gonna break it.
야. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Gonna do this Miley Cyrus style. I can't make it. Wow.
Fun?
That was pretty fun actually. You wanna try?
Yes. I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh!
Wow, oh my god. You almost hit the ground.
Let's take a walk calmly.
I can't walk. Okay.
Let's walk all the way down there and check what we can see there, and then come back and then have nice lunch.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm actually super crazy hungry. I wonder what is at the end. Do you think there's more like swings and stuff, or do you think it's just nature?
It's just nature. There's a river down there. So
Maybe we'll find some yabbies for Jake.
No, this one, there's no yabbies. Yabbies live in creek, not a river.
Oh, okay.
And it's muddy, so it's impossible to find yabbies.
Okay, Mr. Yabby expert.
Oh!
What the heck?
Why did you do that suddenly?
I don't know, I just had an urge to do it. I think it's just a camping area.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think there's actually anything here. No golf or archery. It's such a specific instruction. There's nobody here and it makes it a little bit creepier. Because like, there's 2 cars, but there's no people.
I feel like a creepy man with chainsaw hiding behind a big tree and staring at us and suddenly like boom, boom, boom. And
Yeah, he's just waiting for us to get to the end of the park so he can cut us off. Oh look, there's a brush turkey. It's the first thing we've seen all day. Oh, there's 2 brush turkeys.
Brush turkey?
Yeah.
Bush turkey.
I've been calling them bush turkeys, but they're actually brush turkeys. Hey, little guy.
He's not running away.
Whoa.
Wow.
You want some tea? You want some of this?
They're coming.
I'll give you some good stuff.
They are baby, so.
What type of sound draws in brush turkeys? Oh, okay, not that sound. I don't think they're gonna come. That was a cool experience.
How? You didn't do anything.
Yeah, but they came pretty close. It was still cool.
Okay.
Could see their like
actually,
face
he's
close
following
up.
you.
You wanna be my pet? I'll bring you home. You can live on my balcony.
And you're gonna be chicken when Kayla is hungry.
아니야.
This video sponsored by 에두아르도 again.
Yes,
Yeah. 에두아르도 loves us.
I think so. We also love you, Eduardo.
Okay.
Today we're wearing different colors than we did last time. This is the basic colors. So each set comes with 5 colors. One color you can choose, and then the others are just your basics. So there's white, black, gray, and dark gray. So it basically matches with everything.
It looks
good.
very good, and it's really easy to match with cotton pants or
jeans.
and it's very
Anything.
nice. Yeah, anything. And very comfy.
Mm.
But it's a little bit cold now because it's winter in Australia,
Yeah.
autumn and winter. So we are wearing t-shirt for Eduardo because they didn't send us long jumper stuff.
You can't say that.
No, listen, I'm saying this one because I let people know that Eduardo also have jumpers and pants, socks.
Is that so?
See, this one, this is Eduardo socks.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, Eduardo. I wasn't wearing your socks today.
But summer is coming in Korea, so this t-shirt is nice and it looks your body more muscly, I think.
Yeah, do I look more muscly?
I'm talking about me. Oh, nice sand area.
Yeah. This sand is so fine. Oh. This river, like this water kind of looks like crocodile water. Like it's
Yeah.
black.
But there's no crocodiles in Sydney, so
Yeah, not at all.
I think you can swim here. You just walk down like this. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's like sinking sand. Oh, damn. Maybe don't go down. Just stay up. Whoopsie. Oh, you almost got it.
Oh yeah, it's muddy.
Wash it in the water.
아이.
괜찮아. At least the water is not that dirty.
Let's go and eat.
Okay.
I spend a lot of energy to save this. A little bit cold.
Hey, why are you putting on a jumper? You're covering your Eduardo shirt.
No, listen. I'm showing people how it looks good with a jumper. It's nice to match with stuff.
아, 그렇구나.
Yeah, 똑똑한 남자.
완전 똑똑한 남자야.
가자.
Okay, it's a good time now to go and eat our lunch. So we're gonna find a nice spot with a barbecue to set up our picnic.
Literally no one here.
Yeah, the
Because-
last two people like left as we arrived back at the eating area, so it is just us in this whole national park. Wow. The vibe is so nice.
Today we're gonna eat pork jaw.
Yeah, Kayla's favorite pork. And we also got some and mushrooms and samjang.
Good.
So yeah, we got everything.
식혜.
Ah yeah, 식혜, 팬 식혜.
Since the grill is not working, we moved to the next one.
Yeah, this is nice and hot though.
Let's eat.
Yes.
Make a sum.
I just want to eat one piece by itself first.
Okay.
I don't know, you have to like taste the meat properly before you make a sound.
Okay.
대박. A little bit crispy on the outside. Perfect. Okay, now we can make a sound.
Okay. Some. And mushroom.
Oh yeah, of course.
Ugh. What? Wash!
Whoa!
What? Wash!
Whoa!
What was that? Wash!
I knew that cockatoo was up to something.
Wash!
Ah, not a kookaburra, not cockatoo.
Yes! Yes!
I knew that kookaburra was up to something. Oh shit!
Wash!
That scared me.
Wash! Wash!
Ah,
This is a wild Australia, guys.
the birds aren't scared of anything, even hot
Yeah.
stoves.
I think the birds land here and then
Oh.
it's very hot here, so like.
Yeah, and then he quickly. Yeah, you better not try anything. Too. There's two kookaburras.
Let's eat quickly and leave here.
Oh,
This
shit.
place is creepy.
This was meant to be a calm pork date. Fuck. Australia, crazy.
Let's get out of here. Quickly finish and get out of here. Gosh.
I feel like that's not going to be the last attack on us. They're definitely going to plot something and come at us again.
너무 좋아? 뭐가 너무 좋아? 서방님이 좋아?
이거.
서방님이 너무 좋아? I thought this place is gonna be so nice and calm to have barbecue. So I actually thought like, oh, okay, this can be our secret barbecue place.
I don't think I ever want to come back here again. Too many creepy, creepy birds. Do you guys want to see things from our perspective, our view right now? Let me show you what we're dealing with. These two kookaburras both attacked us. Go away! Oh, and there's a third kookaburra. You're not getting a single piece of our meat. We just finished eating and we're gonna quickly pack up now. Guys, even the brush turkeys have come and all the birds have like come to us. Look in this tree. There are 4 kookaburras in this tree. I think I'm gonna have a phobia of birds now because of that.
Yeah.
It was just constant attack after attack of the birds.
Yeah.
Where?
You left the tea.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I just left it there so that we would know which car was ours when we come back.
Okay, of
Yeah.
course.
Just a little signal.